name's Peter Sayer. I'm the head of engineering at Joule Fine Foods. Joule, in 2013, installed ammonia refrigeration at their facility in Gardeners Road in Mascot, which was their old facility. Over time, they expanded the plant, partnering with Tritech Refrigeration. In 2016, the company decided to move to a new site due to increased volume demand, and we made the decision to continue with ammonia refrigeration and obviously with Tritech. So it's very well documented the damage that HFCs have made to the ozone layer and the environment. And at Joule Fine Foods, we want to minimize our environmental footprint. So to use a natural refrigerant, it was a very easy decision for us to make. So we were very lucky, as we already had a good relationship with Tritech Refrigeration in our old facility. So we continued that relationship with Tritech with the new installation at this facility, and it started up very well, and Tritech continues to support the installation. Well, ammonia, the efficiency and the environmental gains of using ammonia refrigeration massively outweigh the risks of using ammonia. Also for us, we have a very business that changes regularly in different products, and using ammonia refrigeration plant gives us the ability to have that flexibility in our business for the future.